Rugged 3-meter cable gives you room to stretch out. 24 amp high-speed charge to power up fast. Metal housing and connectors for lasting durability, made of anodized aluminum. Extended strain relief protects against breaking, pass 10K plus flex test. Includes OtterBox limited lifetime warranty, see website for details. We put our cables through strenuous flex and pull tests to ensure they hold up to rough use and stick around for the long haul. Durable metal housing and connectors are designed for longevity. Covers defects in manufacturing, material and/or workmanship under normal use and service for the lifetime of the product. Have questions about your purchase, our warranty or other products? The OtterBox customer service team is equipped to help. Meet your new favorite charging cable. The OtterBox micro USB cable is designed rugged for long-term use. It features an extended strain relief at that notorious weak spot where the cable and connector attach. It is 3 meters long, charges at 2.4 amps and its braided nylon avoids tangling itself into knots. Upgrade your charging experience with the cable that's made to last. Top reviews from the United States. Expensive but worth it. This is certainly not the 3 cables for $9.99. The cheap cables work fine for charging my phone. I just bought a new vehicle with the Uconnect and the cheap cables work intermittently. That is very annoying. My buddy told me he used this cable. I bought it and have had no issue connecting to my vehicle's Uconnect in over 3 weeks. I am very pleased with this cable.